Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making Rasta pasta. This is going to be a vegetarian recipe, and of course if you wanted to make it vegan you can substitute with your vegan ingredients. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. This is going to be a very simple and delicious recipe your entire family will love. So on medium heat we're starting with oil. I prefer using avocado oil, and to that we're going to go in with finely chopped onions and pimento peppers. If you don't have pimento peppers you can use a red jalapeno. In goes carrots and some salt to season. We're going to allow this to saute until the onions are tender. I want to add the carrots now because the carrots takes quite a while to cook. So now once it's tender we're going to go in with some minced garlic and just let that cook out for about 30 seconds. You just want the garlic to get soft and you don't want to burn the garlic. Once the garlic is tender, we're going to go in with our broccoli, and I cut up my broccoli pretty small. It does take a little while to cook. It depends on how crunchy you like your veggies is how long you're going to allow it to cook. I just gave that a mix and now I'm going in with my heavy cream. I used 2 cups in total, and now we're going to flavor with some garlic and herb seasoning, complete seasoning, jerk seasoning. This is going to be the flavor for this. Smoked paprika and veggie bullion powder, or if you wanted you can use some chicken bullion powder. And guys, if you wanted to saute some shrimp or some chicken, feel free to use the same seasonings that I put in here to season your chicken or your shrimp. Saute, set aside, and then continue with the recipe. We're going to go in with some bell peppers and some canned mushrooms, or you can use fresh mushrooms. We're just going to allow this to come up to a simmer, and we're going to add in some jerk barbecue sauce. Trust me, you have to put the jerk barbecue sauce. It enhances the entire flavor of this dish. It's just like when you're making chipotle pasta and you put that chipotle sauce. Perfect. So while this is simmering on low, we're going to boil our pasta. Now you're going to boil your pasta shy of al dente, so you want it to still be hard. You don't want it to cook all the way through. And once it's shy of al dente, we're going to drain it and we're going to add it to our veggies. Now this is going to continue to cook for about 2 more minutes. In goes your Parmesan cheese. Add as much as you like and toss. Now as I said, this is going to cook for about 2 more minutes, and that's why you cook the pasta shy of al dente, because it's going to absorb that delicious jerk sauce and it will continue to cook until it's perfect. We're going to finish with some chopped parsley. Mix that in. If you think you want it cheesier, add some more cheese, but this is the way we prefer it. And that's it. Then it's ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, easy and delicious pasta recipe. It's vegetarian, and as I said, if you wanted to make it vegan, switch up for your vegan ingredients. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.